Good afternoon, viewers from Ayutthaya in Thailand. Well, it's 4 p.m. and I've got a boat trip booked. Yes, I've got a boat trip booked on the river going right around Ayutthaya Island. This is at December House, just by the river. And I've booked this boat trip, which goes every day at 4 p.m. By the looks of it, we've got really nice weather, so it should be a good afternoon out. This 2-hour trip goes to 3 different temples. It takes 2 hours and costs 200 baht. Here it is, the boat trip. So all we need to do now is find the boat. It'll be along any minute. And here it is. It's quite hard to climb into it. And it's very, very low. Hope the water doesn't come in. I guess they've done this before, but you have to climb in, which is proving difficult for some of the passengers. And today we stop at 3 temples, 2 of which I haven't been to, and 1 I went to yesterday. We were going at a different time. It's supposed to be beautiful at sunset. Famous for photo shoots. That should be interesting too. So here we are on the Chao Phraya River. This river actually goes all the way to Bangkok. And this is the first of 3 temples. And at this temple, I've never seen so many fish in a river in my life. Just wait till you see the fish. There's thousands of 3 and 4 kilo fish everywhere. Look at the size of them as well. People are throwing bread in. My God. Look at all those fish. And anyway, besides fish, there's a temple somewhere. And look at the size of that Buddha. And I've actually come in the exit, gone the wrong way. Certainly is big. And what's this? Pizza oven? Hawaiian, please. And they look so lifelike. This is a beautiful temple. The artwork is amazing. I'm not quite sure what fish they are, but this is the Temple of Fish. Okay, back in the boat. And off we go. Temple number 2. And inside this temple, I can hear the monks are praying, so better be quiet. It's a hard life being a temple dog. Bloody chickens. What a beautiful temple. Right on the river. There's our boat. Ready to go. And off we go. Off to the third and final temple. And I'm back here for the second time at Wat Hanaram, but I'm here at sunset this time, and wow, this looks amazing. I came here yesterday morning and it was beautiful, but this place is very famous for its sunsets. A lot of people come here for photo shoots. A lot of Thai girls come in native dresses, traditional costumes, and the lighting should be amazing at sunset. So let's take a look around at all the headless Buddhas. I think we've got about 15 minutes of sun left, and then we should get an amazing sunset here. Lots of girls in traditional clothes, traditional Thai costumes, all having their photos taken. It's too dangerous to go up there. It's like being in an episode of The Empress of Ayutthaya, which is a Thai soap opera if you don't know. And this is natural lighting. No filters applied. This is sunset time now. You can see all the long shadows. We've lost the light. Sunset in Ayutthaya. How beautiful is that? Beautiful. Now for the final sunset shot. Our driver knows when to go. And here's the sunset shot from Ayutthaya River. And I'm glad I came here at sunset. It's amazing. I think that's the highlight of my trip. The sunset view in Ayutthaya. So now we're going to get the boat round the rest of the island and back to where we were picked up from. and we're going at high speed. And we're back where we started. So thanks for watching, guys. That was a great trip for only 200 baht. Definitely recommend it. See you on the next video.